Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto rosso pasta. We'll dive into crafting this delicious, vibrant sauce from scratch, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. You'll learn about the essential ingredients that give pesto rosso its unique character and beautiful color. Get ready to transform simple components into a gourmet meal that's perfect for any occasion. This guide makes it easy to bring authentic Italian flavors to your kitchen. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, preferably oil-packed, for that intense flavor. Don't forget 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts and 2 cloves of fresh garlic to add depth. Also, have 1/2 cup of fresh basil leaves and 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese on hand. Finally, prepare 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil, plus salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's blend our pesto rosso. Start by adding the sun-dried tomatoes, toasted pine nuts, garlic, and fresh basil leaves to your food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they form a coarse paste, making sure to scrape down the sides as needed. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Finally, stir in the Parmesan cheese and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. It's time to enjoy your homemade pesto rosso. Cook your preferred pasta until it's perfectly al dente, then drain it, remembering to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy cooking water. Combine the warm pasta with your freshly made pesto rosso, adding a little reserved pasta water to achieve your desired consistency. For a final touch, garnish with extra fresh basil or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Serve immediately and savor this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.